Namaskar. With this small code, I will explain you three important terms of Python: expression, evaluation and statement. See, this one full line like x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, these are Python statements. In fact, all these lines are Python statements. So, Python statements are those things which the Python interpreter runs at one time, right? So, let me tell you that this is one statement, like I can call it assignment statement. This is also an assignment statement. This is also assignment, but with expression on right side. So what is that expression? That expression is x plus y into 2. Okay. So let me give you that idea. That expression is this portion. This portion is an expression. Okay. So then what is evaluation? What the expression evaluates to. Since with the BODMAS rule, star operates first, so it y into 2, that means 40 plus x. This will evaluate to 50. Okay. So I would also be running that, so you will know that this will evaluate to 50. So evaluation means the whatever calculation expression gives as output. And if I tell you that what is y into 2, that y into 2 is a sub expression, you can call a small part of expression, because this y into 2 will evaluate to 40, which is added to x. So that can also be called an expression. And z is after assignment evaluation of this expression, the value is assigned to z and that z is printed. So this is also an statement, but statement with function call. So different types of statements are there. One is directly assignment statement. Some people can argue even 10 is an expression. That's correct, because 10 evaluates to 12, 10 itself, 20 evaluates to 20 itself. But normally expressions have operators within it. So expression on right side, and this print is a function because it has these kind of parentheses. So it evaluates to, actually z is automatically evaluated in the previous line. I can put this expression within print also, then also this will be evaluated. Okay. So with this probably we can also understand using AI that what is an expression and statement. Evaluation, you already know that evaluation is expression value calculation. Statement in Python. Okay, let us see this. Let me again increase this area to understand this. Expression. Combination of values, variables, operator and calls to function that evaluates to a single value. Expression always evaluates to a single value. Okay. Statement on the other hand is a unit of code that the Python interpreter can execute. Sometimes informally statements are also called instructions. Okay. But technical word is a statement. Statements can be assigned. Assignment statement like x equal to 10, print statement like print, if statements, for loops and so on. They don't necessarily evaluate to a value, but they perform an action. Okay. So now with this you get the whole idea. Please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.